I think you should be a part of UHPA because it will give you that opportunity to work in an environment where you know you are afforded a level of protection. So you can carry out your research, you can carry out your teaching, you can interact with your students with a level of comfort that nobody is going to come in and say, you can't teach that, or no, you can't, you can't look into that as part of your research. You have that fundamental freedom to conduct the work that you believe is in the best interest of your students, your department, your discipline, and your profession. And I don't think you can continue to do that as an individual without the protections that are afforded to us by being a member of UHPA.